If you want to remove Twitter bookmarks, now called X bookmarks, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you the easiest way to delete a bookmark from the X website on desktop, step by step. This is perfect if your bookmarks list is getting messy and you want to clean it up fast. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open the X website on your desktop and sign in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the homepage, look at the left sidebar and click Bookmarks. This will open your saved posts so you can see everything you've bookmarked. Now scroll through your bookmarks and find the post you want to remove. When you see the one you don't want anymore, click to open the bookmarked post. This step is important because you need to access the actual post before removing the bookmark. Once the post is open, look below it for the bookmark icon. It usually appears as a small bookmark shape under the post actions. Click that bookmark icon once and X will immediately remove it from your bookmarks list. There's no extra confirmation box, so the change happens right away. If the icon changes state, that means the bookmark has been successfully removed. You can repeat the same process for any other posts you want to delete from your bookmarks. Just open the post, click the bookmark icon, and it disappears from your saved items instantly. This is a really fast way to keep your bookmarks organized, especially if you save a lot of posts over time. And if you're trying to clean up your account, this is one of the simplest things you can do. So to recap, go to Bookmarks in the left sidebar, open the post, and click the bookmark icon below it to remove it immediately. That's how you remove Twitter bookmarks on X desktop. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.